For today's video guys, I'm here with the Festival Mega World here in Iloilo City. Actually, we discovered the festival here in Iloilo kasi 'di ba taga Iloilo tayo. So Ilonggo tayo, proud to be Ilonggo. So kailangan natin i-discover kasi matagal na rin tayong hindi nakauwi. So let's see guys what inside the festival.
A few moments later.
So hello guys, I'm here with my friends. I just asking only a question about his insight about the Iloilo. So by the way, what's your name?
Angel,
Mr. Angel, and from where you are?
America, Seattle, Washington.
Oh, nice. Actually, one question only. What can you say about Iloilo here in the Philippines?
Excuse me?
What can you say about Iloilo here in the Philippines?
Besides it's hot, it's a lot of nice people. Seem like a nice place to visit.
Oh. So you enjoy here in the Philippines?
Yes, so far I have had a great visit.
How about the foods? You like the foods?
The food is good.
Oh.
No problem, you know.
It's good, nice. Nice to Mr. Angel. Thank you for your time and for having me here. And see you and thank you for my vlog. See you. Bye-bye. Talagang napaka-amazing ng area dito kasi bago lang ata actually na na bukas. So dito tayo sa Festive Walk sa Mega World. Pero dito pa rin sa Iloilo City, of course, discover ang Iloilo City. Napakaganda ng tanawin, of course. Di ba? Amazing. Kasi, di ba? Tapos, since na ititreat natin sila mama, so kakain tayo dito for a while. And of course, that's all. We'll see you